Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to trade outside regular hours using the Interactive Brokers mobile app. If you are new to this topic, please check out this video in the top right and description for more details. Alright, let's get started. Open the Interactive Brokers mobile app and log into your account to access the main dashboard. Use the search bar to find your desired stock. We will use Realty Income here as an example. Above the chart, you can see specific icons for this stock. If you click on it, you can see that this stock is enabled for US overnight trading. Here you can also see options for buying and selling this specific stock. If you click this, you will get to the order screen where you can look for time in force and outside regular trading hours to enable outside hours trading. Make sure to double check your order's details and be also sure that you understand the risks of trading outside hours. If you like to get a better understanding of these risks, check out the suggested videos or browse my channel. That's it. For desktop trading using the Interactive Brokers web portal, make sure to check out my recent videos. Also, make sure to like, subscribe and let me know in the comments below what you'd like to learn more. And I hope to see you in the next video.